This automatic glass rinser is a total game changer for your kitchen sink setup. Just flip your cup, press down, and boom, powerful jets blast away residue in seconds. From baby bottles to coffee mugs to wine glasses, this sleek stainless steel rinser handles it all with ease. It even has built-in brushes to help with stubborn grime. Super easy to install and fits most standard faucets, making cleanup quicker, cleaner, and kinda fun. This set of silicone toothbrush holders is the small storage upgrade with big impact. Each hook is self-adhesive, waterproof, and super versatile, perfect for hanging toothbrushes, plugs, razors, or even keys. Stick them in the bathroom, kitchen, office, wherever you need a quick, clean grab-and-go solution. They hold strong, peel-off clean, and bring a touch of modern simplicity to your space. This isn't just a toothbrush holder, it's your bathroom's new MVP. With an auto-sensing cover that opens and closes hands-free, your brush stays clean, dry, and protected 24/7. It fits electric toothbrushes and razors, making it perfect for both home and travel. Bonus? It mounts easily on the wall, saving counter space while keeping things extra sanitary. Clean tech, cool design, and no more messy sinks. This set of BPA-free refrigerator liners keeps your fridge looking spotless and your food fresh. Made to fit shelves or drawers, these non-adhesive mats are super easy to cut, clean, and reuse. Just rinse and go. No more sticky messes or mystery spills. They also work great in cabinets and under sinks, making them a true household multitasker. Clear, clean, and totally essential for every kitchen. This natural bamboo tea box is your elegant solution to teatime clutter. With 8 spacious compartments, it keeps your favorite blends beautifully organized and easy to find. The clear lid lets you peek inside without opening, and the smooth bamboo finish adds a cozy, spa-like touch to any kitchen. Whether you're a green tea lover or an Earl Grey loyalist, this box makes every brew feel like a ritual. This rolling workstation keeps your Cricut and craft essentials perfectly organized and always within reach. With a built-in vinyl roll holder, spacious shelves, and dedicated tool storage, you'll never waste time digging for supplies again. It's sleek, sturdy, and on wheels, so your creativity can roll right along with you. Whether you're cutting, weeding, or just vibing in your craft room, this table keeps your space as neat as your designs. This Bluetooth-powered label maker is the ultimate organization sidekick. Just pair it with your phone, choose from tons of cute templates, and boom, you're labeling drawers, jars, cables, folders, everything. It's sleek, wireless, and fits right in your hand. Whether you're getting your home, office, or even your thoughts in order, this little gadget makes everything look crisp, clean, and totally put together. This twin-size platform bed is doing the most. It's got a built-in bookcase, smooth LED lights for that cozy vibe, roomy drawers for secret storage, and even a charging station so your phone stays juiced while you chill. The oak gray finish? Super sleek. Perfect for guest rooms, bedrooms, or even leveling up a living room setup. This automatic litter box holds a massive 95 liters, handles multiple cats like a pro, and literally cleans itself, because you've got better things to do than scoop. With smart app control, safety features, and even 2 rolls of garbage bags included, it's the future of feline luxury. Sleek, white, and whisper quiet. This all-in-one cleaning tool is your new best friend for keeping laptops, MacBooks, iPads, iPhones, and more spotless. It's portable, precise, and designed to get into every crevice, from keyboards to camera lenses. With soft brushes and specialized tools, it tackles dust, dirt, and fingerprints, making your devices shine like new. This automatic shoe cover dispenser is a game changer. With 200 disposable, non-slip covers, it fits most shoe sizes and ensures no dirt or debris tracks inside. Perfect for offices, homes, and any event where cleanliness matters. Simply step in, and bam! Your shoes are covered and your floors stay spotless. This set of 9 handheld brushes is the ultimate tool for tackling those hard-to-reach gaps. From bathroom grooves to window tracks, shutter doors, and even kitchen corners, this kit has you covered. It's multifunctional, easy to use, and perfect for cleaning every nook and cranny that usual brushes just can't reach. This electric shoe dryer is perfect for drying work boots, athletic gear, and outdoor equipment. Silent, energy efficient, and made in the USA, it gently dries without damage, so your boots, shoes, and gear last longer. Portable and effective, it's a must-have for anyone who spends time outdoors or needs gear in tip-top shape. This innovative bottle brush kit is designed to tackle baby bottles, breast pumps, nipples, and more with ease. Featuring a push-press design, it generates foam for deeper cleaning, ensuring every nook and cranny is spotless. The soft yet firm bristles are gentle on your gear but tough on grime, giving you peace of mind with every use. This sponge holder is the perfect addition to any kitchen sink. With its strong suction cup, it stays securely in place, holding sponges, brushes, and scrubbers without the mess. Made from rust-proof aluminum, it's durable and easy to clean, while its removable design makes it simple to empty and maintain. Keep your sink tidy and your cleaning tools organized. This electric mason jar vacuum sealer kit is your new best friend for food storage. Designed with both wide and regular mouth mason lids, it creates a perfect vacuum seal, keeping your food fresh and preserving it longer. Whether you're canning, storing dry foods, or sealing leftovers, this easy-to-use tool ensures your jars stay airtight and mess-free. This adjustable TV tray table is perfect for your next movie night or cozy meal. With 6 height settings and 3 tilt angles, it's designed for ultimate comfort, whether you're eating, working, or enjoying your favorite show. The sleek black design fits seamlessly into any room, while the folding feature makes it easy to store when you're done. The Sync Pen 4 set is a game-changer for students, designers, and professionals alike. This Bluetooth-enabled pen works seamlessly with its smart notebook to record notes, sketches, and ideas with unerasable precision. Sync it wirelessly with your device for instant digital access to your handwritten content. Whether you're on iOS or other platforms, this pen elevates your workflow. No more lost ideas. This microwave popcorn bowl is your new go-to for healthy, hassle-free snacks. Made from durable silicone, it collapses to just 2.3 inches for easy storage, yet expands to pop your popcorn in the microwave. No oil, no mess. Just tasty, air-popped popcorn every time. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Perfect for movie nights, after-school treats, or anytime you're craving a quick, healthy snack. This needle threader seam ripper is your ultimate sewing sidekick. Combine 2 essential tools in one compact gadget. This perfect for hand sewing, crafting, and knitting projects. Its ergonomic grip and multifunctionality make threading and ripping easier than ever. A must-have for every DIY kit or sewing box. This replaceable wired cheese slicer features a built-in board with measuring grids for precision cuts. With adjustable wire tension, it's perfect for slicing block cheese with ease. Made of durable stainless steel and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Bring restaurant-level slicing to your kitchen counter. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.